Okay, water heater repair. Now, you're not going to believe it, but I'm like trying to give a dog a bath, and I had the water heater turned down, and so I cranked it up a little, make it really hot for him. And then the pilot light's out, and so I'm going, no, no. And so I guess I start, doing that, trying to light it, and it just doesn't go. It doesn't go. And then I use like a candle, a really long candle, like a dinner candle, and I put it underneath, and I got the thing to light, with the igniter. And then as soon as I would let go of the knob, gone. The flame would disappear. And it happened and happened and happened. So I'm like, okay, this is impossible. So I went to Grok and I went to Gemini. So I went to all these places, and they said, no, you need a new thermocoupler type of thing, a thermo whatever. And that's 95% usually the problem. So and with the light, because the light didn't work either. So I'm like, oh my gosh, impossible to find. And I actually did find the replacement part. It took me a few hours. I did not find the number that Grok gave me. I found the number that Gemini gave me. Um, and then I confirmed back with Grok. And so I've got double AI confirmation that this one is fine. And then I look it up, and there it is on Amazon. And it's like, and it seems to be offered by like hundreds of different suppliers. Look at this, it's all the same part. It's like an entire assembly kit. There's nothing different. They're all the same assembly kit. And so I'm like, well, I guess I'll just get the cheapest. Why not? I mean, why would I pay $35 for the same assembly kit? Unless they've done something strange to it. So now I don't know. I went for a pretty cheapo. I went for the $26 one with a coupon, a $2 coupon. There. So I got that, and it's on the way. So this is one thing. I'm thinking calm office, calm home. Yeah, because I'll have hot water again. So this is pretty darn nifty that it's here. And why they fail, it's just old. My water heater, 2015, it was the build for it, the build year, and this is 10 years old. And I really, really want an electric water heater so bad, but the installation, the switch from gas to electric, is like thousands of dollars. I can't seem to find a real cheap, install situation for that. So right now, I'm going to just try to do this on my own. And there are videos out there. So there's so much of this available on Amazon that's extremely helpful. It's not going to get here fast, but it's all right. The dog doesn't get a bath today, and he'll have to get a bath at his home or a mobile, those mobile ones. Order the mobile one. He'll get into the van, and they give him a bath. But yeah, so it just would not stay lit. So I'm very, very thankful for this being available. And that's one cool thing about Amazon that I am just like, because I don't want to go to Home Depot right now, and I'd rather just wait for it to be delivered. Okay, thank you. And I'll leave you the link for this type of weird, odd thing. Maybe water heater items. Yeah.